Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. To remove the hard drive, loosen the screw securing the side cover and unlatch the cover to remove it from the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the hard drive and disconnect the cables. Unlatch and remove the hard drive from the system. To reinstall the hard drive, relatch it back to the system. Reconnect the cables and reattach the front bezel. Relatch the side cover and install the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.